So guys, in order to be able to make your own soya serum, you'll need soya isoflavones, glycerin, hyaluronic acid powder, preservative, a jug with 100 ml of water, an empty jug, a teaspoon and a tablespoon, and a piece of toilet paper. So take your soya isoflavones, get 15 to 20 capsules and open them. Empty the capsules into an empty clean jug. Now cover the powder with 100 ml of water. And you'll need a spoon as well, guys. It will go quite lumpy to start off with, beautiful ones, but just keep stirring it and the lumps will disappear eventually. Give that a quick stir, please. That's lovely, thank you. Add preservative. This stage is optional, beautiful ones. Here I'm adding a very, very small amount of potassium sorbate. About 1/10 of a teaspoon, so you know it's barely an amount at all really, but we are using vegetable matter and water, so it does need preserving somehow. So into our empty jug, beautiful ones, we're going to put some glycerin and some hyaluronic acid to make a slurry. So go in with your powder first, because if you go in with your glycerin first and then try to go in with powders, you're going to get in a mess. So put powder in first, and all you need to do then is just put the glycerin into your teaspoon and everything will stay nice and clean. Here I'm adding a 1/2 teaspoon of hyaluronic acid powder. That's it. And also you need to add the glycerin at this stage as well, guys, to make the slurry. This ensures there are no lumps in the formula in the end. So we're going to add 2 teaspoonfuls of glycerin. That's 1. And that's 2. Just gently stir those together now, guys. Now that's our soya mixture we made before with the soya capsules and water and a little bit of preservative. Just cover the hyaluronic acid and glycerin with the soya liquid. Stir together and your serum's nearly ready. Bottle up now, guys. I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial. Please don't forget to comment, like and subscribe. And thanks for watching.